This Range Rover behind us has bullet holes in it, and you will not believe what the insurance just said. One of the main holes is actually through the structure of the body. Not a big deal. This is something we're certainly capable of fixing, but there are specialties and requirements that we have to do as we start the repair. This section right here is multiple layers, and what we'll have to do to repair this is actually take off and replace any of the sheet metal that's got a hole or a tear in it. Now that can come in a few different ways. First, we have to take the quarter off, right? And that may come up through to here. This is where the onion can have a lot of different layers, and we may have to peel more back. If that inner structure comes all the way through, we now have to remove the exterior structure all the way to here to gain access to put that next new part in. But you won't believe what insurance had to say about this repair and what they suggested. They're wanting us to actually weld up and repair those holes. And this is where things get complicated, because Range Rover directly states that we can't do this kind of a repair in a safe and proper way. So insurance companies aren't inherently evil. They just have a different objective than we do. Their objective is to get the car fixed and get it done quickly and cheaply. Now ours is going to be slightly different. We want to do it the right way, and we want to make sure the car is still safe after we get our repairs done. This is where we get that first conflict. There's also a lack of communication and understanding here. I understand their role to play here. They have to account for every penny that they spend, but we also have a role to play here too, and it's keeping you safe.